Hi everyone, so I'm about to share a journal with you. This one is a vintage wallpaper tall skinny journal. When I say wallpaper, it is from, I've used my new kit, which I will link below. So vintage wallpaper kit. So I've used that, but if you saw my video, the one, I think it's the one before this, I've made a bunch of these up blank. So they're blank, bare, ready to go. I will link that in the description box below, as well as the kits, my new kits. I've also used things from other people in this one. So I've still got some of the blank ones available for sale, and they are free shipping at the moment. I've ran free shipping all through December, and I will continue that until the 31st of this month. And some of the journals, I think there might be a couple of journals still available, and they're on discount, like a reduced price and free shipping if you're interested. I'll link everything below that's available, my new kits, everything, okay? Because I'm rambling now and we've got things to do. It's Christmas Eve. So this I have decorated. So basically this is kind of what you can do. You can go way more than what I've done in this. So the journal measures, well, let me find my notes, 10 3/4 by 4, and it has one signature, 48 pages front and back, and that is exactly like the blank ones, but obviously this one is decorated. Okay, so this is from my wallpaper kit, and that's just a simple cotton closure which comes off, detachable. Love how this come out, and I was just kind of using bits from the kits, bits that I've got left over, and it turned out rather chunky. It always turns out rather chunky, and I like how it's staging, you know, it's got kind of going up in like size. Okay, so the front cover here, it's got some vintage music paper, and like I said, this will be listed in my shop, and the link for that will be below. This background piece that you can barely see now is from the wallpaper kit. This is a freebie on my coffee shop, and this is some fabric going around here. Okay, and it's kind of like a rustic cover because it's not overly thick, and I'm just making sure that this is in frame so that you can see it, and just move things back. Okay, so this is from my wallpaper kit. So is this little postcard with a pattern of the wallpaper on there. So is this from my kit. Made a little tag. Right, I have got, hopefully they will be up on my coffee shop when this video goes up. There is vintage girls, vintage females, there's a mixture of little kids and ladies, and there's 9 little mini ones on one page that will be a freebie for you to use, because everybody's always saying to me, oh, I love them images, where did you get them? Well, I found them years ago, over the years, via Pinterest, and they are like in the free domain. So I have just collated them together, and I will do bigger ones, but I just don't have enough time at the moment. So you get 9 little ones, like they're just smaller than ATCs basically. Like I said, on my coffee shop. This is from my wallpaper kit. This is a freebie from my shop. This is from my wallpaper kit as well, and so is this. That is, I made a pocket. This is actually a freebie from ARTYmaze. I think you can find that. It was on her website. I don't know if she's moved it onto her coffee site now. This is from Lace Boutique 1. I had a couple of them printed out, so I popped them in because I thought, well, they go nicely. I love them. They're really sweet. This is from TaylorMade Journals. And here we've got a corner tuck using my paper from the wallpaper kit. This is from Dreams Etc. I had a couple of them left over, and I've left that like it is, so it could be pocket. This is a freebie from ARTYmaze, and I'll put a tab on there. This is from ARTYmaze's new French ephemera kit 2, and I just printed them onto like copy paper, so because years ago that's how thin your like these things were. And I've got thick sheets of paper again. This is from ARTYmaze French ephemera 2 kit, because you've got French ephemera 1 and now French ephemera 2. This is from my wallpaper kit, coffee dyed papers, places to journal. This is from ARTYmaze, from her not her wallpaper kit, her French ephemera kit. This is from the old design shop, and that is just paper clipped on, and that is there. This is from my kit, and so is that. That's my favourite page. Like the design on it. ARTYmaze, that's a freebie. And this is from my wallpaper kits. So is this. There's actually 2 kits, so, and there will be more. Plus I'm going to be doing some I've got a selection of tags to sort out. I've been a busy bee. I've been a busy bee, I have. So I've got some tags to do as digitals as well, and they're all going to, like, you know, the wallpaper, vintage wallpaper, and they'll be in various sizes and maybe more than one kit. That's from one of the kits. This is from TaylorMade Journals. Again, that's the little pocket there. That was from Dreams Etc. This is from my wallpaper kit. This is from one of ARTYmaze's kits. It's her wallpaper grungy kit. And this is from ARTYmaze's A French Ephemera 2 kit. And that goes in there. That was just some leftovers, so, you know, use your leftovers, make tags, make pockets. I should have really, I didn't have the time. I did kind of want to do a step-by-step, like, decorating one of these, because like I said, I've got a kit one for myself, and I've put the rest in my shop. But I just didn't have the time. I've been in and out all the time, like Christmas shopping and just Christmas shopping. Don't know how many times I've been out this week, ridiculous amounts of times, just for silly things. I mean, I went out one day and, like, only spent £1.9p. But I was just out looking. That's ARTYmaze wallpaper grungy kits. That was ARTYmaze. This is from my wallpaper kit. And TaylorMade Journals. This is from my wallpaper kit. Because it isn't just the wallpaper, it's the design on the wallpapers that I've used. I've got so much of it. I was so lucky to get what I got, and I'm hopefully gonna spend a lot more time sorting it all out and, like, doing things with it, and maybe getting some kits up, and that opens out like so. So I hope everybody is all ready for the big day. That's my kit. Yeah, the big day. I'm not. I've still got so much to do in the house. Like, I've actually cooked some turkey tonight. I just got a very small turkey crown, and I've got beef and gammon, and I've only got one grandson coming over tomorrow, but Boxing Day here in the UK, which is the 26th of December, I've got everyone coming over, and like, 2 of my sons are for the first time spending Christmas in their own homes, because they're always somewhere else, but now that, you know, they've got kids, and, like, they're just, you know, they're just like, well, I want to be at home on Christmas Day. Totally get it. I never went anywhere with my kids when they were little. It was just stay at home. I had everyone come to me. So we're going to have a nice relaxing day tomorrow, which is Christmas Day. Well, I say that, it might not turn out like that. And Boxing Day is going to be manic. That's from Anna's shop, which is Lace Boutique 1. I've actually got some, Anna sent me some Christmas bauble things. I just didn't get round to playing around with it. That's just a tag that I folded in half, and where I wet it, I put way too much coffee on it, and I put it on my heater. But look how it came out. I actually quite like that. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of soaked right through, and it kind of made it look nice. This is from Bohemian Crafting. That was just laying around, so that got used. That got put in a pocket. The pocket is made from a wallpaper kit. And then here we've got a double pocket wallpaper kit. That's the wallpaper kit in the back there as well. That's a double tuck. That's a freebie on my coffee shop. And like I said, don't forget these little ladies, these little females will be on my coffee shop at some point, hopefully tonight. If not, keep checking back, but I've aimed to do that when I go inside. That is from my wallpaper kit. that is just paper clipped on. And then here we just have another postcard with the wallpaper on it, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Okay, so I'll just leave that like that. So yep, have a great Christmas. I did already wish you all a happy Christmas, a Merry Christmas in my last video, because I wasn't sure whether I was going to do another, but I'm just saying it again. Merry Christmas, have a great day, have a lovely time, all the best for New Year. I probably will be back on before the New Year, wishing you New Year, Happy New Year again, but just saying it just in case. Yeah, and I will speak to you all soon. All the links will be below. Bye.